Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Mapping out the shapes of this lovely kitty. I'm not sure those ears are quite right. I'm going at 3 times the speed here and voicing over, and I'm correcting as I go. Always get some guiding lines in there to help me see where I'm going. Yeah, those ears weren't quite right. I'm going to try again. Just going by feel more than anything. Not necessarily exactly what I see in the photo, but what the drawing needs. Well, that's looking more like a kitty's head now. Shape these limbs a little. That's too wide. Got to make that narrower. Just really roughing it out. It's kind of the rough draft, I guess. And then we'll pick at it to make it look right, but never perfect. It's practice. It's all practice. And that's why you improve with each one, as long as you keep at it. So we're going to speed up here now to 4 times the speed. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat, or whatever you want to talk about, where you live in the world, what you want to learn about cat drawing. Bring that eye to life a little, hey? Don't worry about too much detail at all in a sketch like this. Now we're going 8 times the speed. And the farther away the part of the cat is, the less detail I give it. Really more about character and soul than anything. And less is more. I feel like I actually gave this drawing too much. I feel like I should have kept it more simple. But that's how you learn with each drawing. You learn something with each one and you carry it forward to your next. And as long as you keep at it, you will improve. But embrace your own style. I'm going to get rid of some of those, the darkness of some of those lines, because I feel like there was too much there. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.